Logan, there's no damn way your Ford would have made it anywhere up there.
No.
Beasley Knob for Logan.
Oh my God.
Look at that trail.
Shit. Oh my. Wow.
That's fucking real.
I'm scared.
We better see his tracks.
Yeah.
Do my best to stay in. He's pretty good.
He looks like decent. See the top?
Old boy's like, man, I would have never fucking believed it.
Which one? The guy
not
on
the
the
cop looking one, the other one. The one that don't look like the cop.
Yeah, the one that's got the yellow Jeep.
Yeah. He's like, I never would have fucking believed it. Seeing the damn Land Cruiser up here. I'm telling you, man, this is some rough shit. We have vexed this little Land Cruiser today. And his buddies are gonna go, him and his buddies are gonna go back and go, man, you never guess what the fuck we seen on first. We seen a goddamn bone stock Land Cruiser going, hey, where's my fucking Jeep went? Everywhere's he's got a $10,000 Jeep. And we got a $4,000 Land Cruiser.
Wow.
This is why I've been wanting to take you, baby. Wanting to do this. This is fucking fun, man. I've had adrenaline rush after adrenaline rush day. My legs are shaking, my hands are shaking.
The Elvis leg
Elvis
shake.
leg.
Oh. Wow. Uh-oh.
Cut between the trees. It's alright, his Jeep is actually wider than mine.
You still got like 6 inches of...
We're good.
Oh! Oh! Fuck, baby.
He's with 33.
I'm not good at this taking video.
You're good, baby, you did. You're maxed out suspension wise now, that's for sure. Check it out, the rock guard. I don't know if I can make it over the tree.
Oh, I missed the stop. Damn it. I didn't mean to miss it. Just 1 second.
Oh, no problem. We'll film it.
That's why fenders and fender flares are a problem. That is fucking insane. Now that, what is that about? You got about almost 3 foot before the damn front starts to leak.
Yeah, a little bit. I got more than that. We got another 4 inches.
Bring your camera over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I can make it over that log.
Oh, you don't have to.
No.
I wouldn't.
If I didn't have the damn fender flares, it probably wouldn't be a problem. I hit up there.
Here.
Hit the down trailer hitch pretty good.
Yeah? That's
It's
crazy
on.
considering you did the hard stuff and only hit the trailer hitch just